Sales Prediction 2025. In-house developed AI engines. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. The graph predicts that the overall sales trend across all the products will decline in 2025. This is because none of the product lines, shown in different colors, reach the same peak sales point in 2025 that they did in 2024. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the prediction for each product. Asus Prime Z390A, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in late 2024. Intel Core i7-12700K, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in mid-2024. Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB, 2x8GB. The predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in early 2024. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in late 2024. Western Digital Black SN750 NVMe SSD 1TB, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in late 2024. Fractal Design Meshify CATX Mid-Tower Case, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in mid-2024. EVGA Supernova 650GA, 80 Plus Gold 650W, the predicted sales trend for 2025 shows a decline from its peak in late 2024. It's important to note that these are just predictions and actual sales could deviate from the forecasted trends. This Python program analyzes sales data and predicts future sales for the year 2025. Here's a breakdown of the code. 1. Imports. Pandas SPD imports the Pandas library for data manipulation and creating data frames. Matplotlib.pyplot SPLT imports the plotting functionalities from Matplotlib. From sklearn.linear_model import linear regression, imports the linear regression model from scikit-learn for prediction. Import numpy as NP, imports the NumPy library for numerical operations, not directly used here. 2. Sample sales data. A list named data is created containing dictionaries. Each dictionary represents a sales record with keys, date, product, and sales. Dates are formatted as strings, YYYYMMDD. 3. Data processing. The data list is converted into a Pandas data frame using PD data frame, data. The date column is converted to datetime format using PD2_datetime. 2 new columns, year and month, are extracted from the datetime date column. 4. Preparing the model. A linear regression model is created and assigned to the variable model. 5. Plotting and predicting. plt.figure, fig size equals 14, 8, creates a plotting area with a specific size. A loop iterates through each unique product in the product column. O for each product. A subset of the data frame containing only that product's data is created. The model is trained using features, year and month, and target, sales. A list of future dates for each month in 2025 is generated using pddate_range. A data frame with year and month columns is created for the future dates. The model predicts sales for each month in 2025 using the trained model and future date data frame. The historical sales data for the product is plotted with markers. The predicted sales for 2025 are plotted with a dashed line and markers. Labels and titles are added to the plot for clarity. A legend is created to differentiate product lines. Grid lines are added for better readability. plt.tight_layout, adjusts spacing to avoid overlapping elements. Finally, the plot is displayed using plt.show. Overall, this program demonstrates how to use Pandas for data manipulation, scikit-learn for building a linear regression model, and Matplotlib for data visualization. It then combines these functionalities to analyze historical sales data, predict future trends for 2025, and present the results visually. Note: this program uses a linear regression model, which assumes a linear relationship between features and target. In real-world scenarios, sales data may not always follow a linear trend. Consider exploring other models or feature engineering techniques for more accurate predictions. Thank you.